Today the topic is internal structure of kidney. Kidney is a bean-shaped and dark brown in color. Here the location of kidney. Kidneys are present in the abdominal cavity, that wall of the abdominal cavity below the diaphragm. Kidneys basically both the kidneys are asymmetrical in position. The left kidney is slightly upper in position while the right kidney is slightly lower in position. The right kidney is lower in position due to the presence of lobe of liver. Here the kidneys are protected by the 11th and 12th rib. दोनों जो किडनीज हैं उनको 11th और 12th रिब जो है वो बेसिकली क्या करती है जी, प्रोटेक्ट करती है. The kidneys have a two surface. The outer surface is called the concave, while the inner surface is called the convex. In the inner surface, the hilus is present. The hilus is the area where the renal arteries leave the kidney. Renal arteries enter the kidney, renal vein leaves the kidney, and ureter leave the kidney. Ureter is the organ that is responsible for the transport of urine from kidney to the urinary bladder. The kidney is protected by the wall. It is called the peritoneal layer या renal peritoneum आपके पास आ जाएगा. If we show the internal structure of kidney, या अगर हम kidney को दो equal parts में divide करें, तो then the kidney show are two different region. The outer region is called the outer cortex, and the inner region is called the inner medulla. In the medulla, the triangular like structures are present. These triangular like structures are called the renal pyramids. Here, at the base of the renal pyramids, a cavity is present. This cavity is called the renal pelvis. Renal pelvis is the area where the urine is stored for some time and transported towards the urinary bladder through a ureter. ठीक है. उसके बाद आपके पास the kidney is composed of a nephron. Here the million of nephrons are present inside the kidney. तो नेफ्रॉन जो है, अगर हम नेफ्रॉन के स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो नेफ्रॉन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द रेनल कैप्सूल एंड द अदर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द रेनल ट्यूब्यूल. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नेफ्रॉन. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ नेफ्रॉन. नेफ्रॉन showing a two region. The first one is called the renal corpuscle and the second one is called the renal tubule. Renal corpuscle is further divided into two parts. The first one is called the glomerulus and the second one is called the Boumet capsule. Glomerulus is basically a network of blood capillaries that is responsible for the filtration of blood. Here the wall of glomerulus are porous due to the hydrostatic pressure. The material which is smaller than the size of pores of glomerulus are filtered out into the Boumet capsule. Here the next part of the nephron, it is called the renal tubule. Renal tubule is further divided into three parts. The first cannulated part of the renal tubule, it is called the proximal cannulated tubule. The other U-shaped structure that is attached, other narrow U-shaped structure that is attached with the proximal cannulated tubule, it is called the loop of Henle. The third and last part of the renal tubule, it is called the distal cannulated tubule. Finally, the distal cannulated tubule is attached with the collecting ducts. Here, the renal tubule is responsible for the absorption of useful substances from the glomerulus filtrate. जितना भी glomerulus filtrate के अंदर useful substances होंगे, such as glucose, water, ions, and other material that is present in the in the glomerulus filtrate is reabsorbed and enter into the blood capillaries. Here finally the remaining waste material is passed from the collected bed and collected inside the pelvis region. From the pelvis region, the urine is passed into the urinary bladder through the ureter. This is the internal structure of kidney.